Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me video. I have actually never done one of these before, so I am so excited to just kind of take you guys along with me while I cook dinner for my family, as well as just kind of clean up and pick up around the house. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. I have been using Home Chef for probably close to a year now, and it is a huge time saver and a huge lifesaver when you have a pretty big family like I do, and we are so busy all of the time, and I always forget ingredients when I go to the store, to be honest with you. So sometimes we end up not being able to make any dinner because I forget things. The kids are just acting crazy at the store, and Home Chef sends me meals straight to my door in a box, always cold, always fresh, and they have all of the ingredients that I need to prepare meals for my family. So today I'm going to be making black bean chili. This is what it looks like. Does this not look absolutely delicious? It is a semi-cool fall day here in Texas. We finally have some fall weather. By the afternoon it kind of gets a little bit warm, but my husband took the kids out to an indoor play place, and Cash is napping, so I thought I would just turn on some music, get some chili cooking, and then start cleaning up around the house. But I thought it would be really fun to show you guys how I make this, and then I don't know, just kind of give you a little bit of motivation and inspiration to start cooking for the fall and getting your house nice and clean. So if you guys are interested in a Home Chef box, I have a $30 off your first order code. Check out the description box below. There will be a link for you to follow and my code for $30 off your first box, which is an amazing deal. So don't forget to check that out when this video is over. So each Home Chef delivery box comes with these really easy to read recipe cards with the directions on the back, and I just like to prop mine up in front of me while I'm cooking. That way it just makes it a lot easier to refer back to the directions. And right now I'm just cutting up the vegetables and getting them ready for the chili. Using Home Chef because whenever they deliver all of the ingredients, they're always fresh and ready to go. A lot of times when I go to the grocery store, I will end up forgetting something. So if I wanted to make this recipe and I forgot the tomatoes or the onions, I would have to go back to the store, and that is just a huge pain, especially when you have little kids. So I'm glad that Home Chef sends you everything that you need straight to your door. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pot, and then I'm going to add the onions and the tomatoes to the olive oil and let them cook on the stove for just a few minutes. And I'm also going to be adding some salt and pepper. So now I'm just going to add these two seasoning packets, and then I'm going to add the black beans as well. Next up, I'm going to add the tomato sauce to the pot, and then I'm going to mix it all up, and then I'm going to let it sit on the stove for just a little while. And my house smells so good right now, and while I am letting it sit for a little bit, I am going to go ahead and start washing the dishes and getting the kitchen nice and clean. done washing the dishes, I'm going to go on over and check on the chili, and while it continues to cook a little bit, I am going to vacuum the living room. As you can see, I did get a new vacuum, and this is the Shark Ion cordless duo clean with titanium battery, and it is amazing. I'm going to link it below in case you guys are interested, but it is seriously a life changer for those of you who vacuum frequently. It has two different settings. It has a floor setting and a carpet setting, so it is a total game changer when it comes to cleaning your house. So now the chili is ready, just in time for lunch, and Home Chef sends you all of the toppings that you need for your chili. So I'm adding some cheese, some tortilla strips, sour cream, some extra tomatoes, and some onions. So while Cash is still napping, I decided to go ahead and change out the duvet cover on my bed. It really needed to be washed, and I thought, why not switch it up just a little bit and put a new one on.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
been busy cleaning and cooking, and then Cash woke up, so he is going to be eating some banana carrot mangoes. Does that sound good? And I am going to be eating my black bean chili that I just made, and it looks so delicious. That is really good. As I was making it, I was like, I wonder how this is gonna turn out, because usually, like, I don't know, usually I'm not like a huge black bean person. This is really good. Jeff is gonna love this. I know. Okay, it's not fair for me to be eating in front of you, so. Here's yours. You want yours? I think it's a little bit too spicy for you right now. Isn't that good? I would definitely recommend the black bean chili if you plan on ordering from Home Chef, especially during the fall season. Right now, this would be like a great sit and watch football kind of meal if you have people coming over and you don't want to have to worry about going to the store and getting all the ingredients. This is perfect. So I also wanted to show you all the other recipes that I got for this month. So I got this strawberry limeade smoothie. I always get a smoothie when I order my stuff, just because I don't know, I look forward to making smoothies for breakfast sometimes, or just like a midday snack. And then I also got these Nashville hot chicken strips. My husband was so excited when he saw these. And then this one also looked so good. This is a turkey burrito skillet. Yeah, that looks delicious. So while this little guy is snacking on a little cookie, they're like little Gerber biscuits. While you're snacking on a cookie, mommy is going to mop the floor, okay? So to clean my tile floors, I am just using this Bona tile and hardwood floor cleaner. It's really easy to use because you can just squirt it on the floor and then mop over it. It doesn't need to be diluted or anything. And the mop that I'm using is just the Target brand mop. I would not recommend it, but it gets the job done. had a lot of questions on where the mat next to the sink is from that says Thankful on it, and it is from the store at home. And now I'm just going to give Carter and Sydney's room a quick vacuum. So Cash is actually afraid of the vacuum unless I'm holding him, so I finished off vacuuming the house, holding him, which is quite a workout for both arms. Putting in a load of laundry. I am using Gain Flings. I love these. They are so easy to use. And then I also like to pour this Lysol disinfectant in with my clothes as well, especially if I'm washing towels. And then I am going to fold a load of laundry. The amount of laundry that we make here in our house is unreal. So now that the chili is made and the house is all nice and clean, I'm going to light my favorite pumpkin fall candle and just relax for a little while. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the link below if you are interested in ordering from Home Chef, and use my code to save $30 off your first order. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.